Package dimensions: 25.02 L by 5.53 H by 8.98 W inches. Package weight: 8.25 pounds. Country of origin: China. Part number: YH1779. Premium aftermarket replacement parts for Ford and Lincoln vehicles, tested to provide performance and long-life reliability. 2-year unlimited mileage warranty, labor included and no commercial exceptions. Top reviews from the United States. Pack your patience pants when installing. Very hard to access last screw in back and small ratchet required to unscrew. Alignment of damper door gearbox cog is challenging even after disconnecting battery. Go to YouTube for videos, it will help.